So in today's video we're going to be revisiting the mystery object that I found while snorkelling in Coniston water in the Lake District. At the time I was led to believe it was a musket ball, but then doubts started coming into my mind, and that's why I published the video that I did, asking for your help as to what you think it might be. And this was the video that I put up. You can see here when it first split open, the very defined segments there, sort of in half, and then same on the other side, and then the outer crust of what we think is iron. Now, a lot of you have left feedback and comments telling me what you think it might be, and I really appreciate that. It's been really helpful. The cannonball theory has been brought up quite a lot by a few of you. When it's left in the water and then left to dry out, they can disintegrate, and other people have seen that before. That could be something that's happened to this particular musket ball or whatever it is. People there have said that musket balls were made of iron at one stage, but not necessarily used for firing out of a gun because they would get stuck in the barrel. But the iron theory keeps cropping up. It definitely looks like iron, the way that it's corroded and sort of rusted. But then you've got Andy Jones's theory, which is more of a natural theory, which is a thing called Iron Oxide Concretion, which is basically the sort of iron minerals mixing with the natural stone to create what we see here in spherical form. So that's another potential idea. But then we've got the Grapeshot, which is sort of a cluster of small projectiles or balls held together like that and fired from a cannon. And when it's fired, all the balls then spray out over the area that it's been shot in. But I'm still not sure about the way these segments are so defined. This is the thing that's really confusing me. So there you go, 3 really interesting theories there as to what the mystery object may be. Thank you to everybody who's left a comment and left some feedback. I've really enjoyed reading them, but I suppose the research continues. I'm still not sure about them little segments, but anyway. So I hope you enjoyed that and you found that of use. If you did, please remember to like and subscribe, and don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on the next video. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.